Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily spotlight in WordPress. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and look for wordpress.com and then log into your WordPress account. And this is the interface you're going to see over here. You can see this is my home page. And here you can see a click links option on the right side over here. Below it is the edit site option. Click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the WordPress editors page. After you have reached the editors page over here, you can see my blog, and on the right hand side you can see various options, and here is a three dot option called options. Click on the three dot option over here, and this here you can see the spotlight mode over here. Click on the spotlight mode and it will enable the spotlight mode. The usage of this mode is actually you can see various small details which you would normally overlook in your blog over here. As you can see, if I undo the spotlight, my blog is the same, but when I activate it, it will show me only the smallest details I need to change or I would normally not see. So after you are done with it, you can just click over here and spotlight mode will be activated, and after you are done you can just undo it. And that is how you activate spotlight mode in WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.